high-level waste is characterized by a very long lifespan. Specific measures must therefore be taken to ensure long-term safety. Deep geological formations can provide the required isolation because they are stable for millions of years. Stable geological formations act as natural barriers and complement engineered barriers so that radioactivity can be efficiently contained. Surface or near-surface solutions are not appropriate solutions since they cannot guarantee safety over such long timescales due to erosion, climate change, or potential societal disruptions. That's why there is scientific consensus worldwide that deep geological disposal is the safest and most sustainable technical option for the management of high-level waste. In 1991, a law was passed to study 3 different options for the management of high-level, long-lived radioactive waste: deep geological repository, long-term storage, and separation transportation. Andra was tasked to study the geological disposal option. A parliamentary mission was conducted to identify territories volunteering to host an underground research laboratory, where geological conditions were assessed as favorable. From the very beginning, the approach has actually been based on 2 pillars. On the one hand, technical considerations that include geological aspect, and on the other hand, social aspect, in particular social acceptance by local communities. After comparative studies, the site, located in eastern France and its clay layer, was selected and an underground laboratory was built there. This project has been studied extensively for more than 30 years through scientific experiments, safety demonstrations, and public debates. Today, the French Deep Geological Disposal project, called CGEO, is moving forward with the goal of obtaining its construction license by the end of 2027 and preparing for its industrial operation. We are at a key stage of the CGEO project. After 25 years of research and development in the underground laboratory, the scientific basis is robust. Andra has submitted the application for a construction license to the French Nuclear Safety Authority. The licensing process includes a thorough safety review and a public inquiry, which are essential steps before any construction can begin. The operational phase of the repository will require additional authorization from the safety authority. CGEO is expected to host its first waste package in 2050. As mentioned earlier, waste management includes 2 key dimensions: technical and social. Public involvement has been central since the beginning of the project and implemented in different ways. At national level, there have been several national public debates. Some key concepts, such as reversibility and the pilot industrial phase at the start of the project, stem from those national debates. At regional level, local communities in Meuse and Haute-Marne are involved through active dialogue with local representatives, partnerships, and the territorial development project. Although there is a parliamentary oversight through the Parliamentary Office for Scientific and Technological Assessment, which regularly reviews progress and reports to the Parliament on the progress made. Beyond these legal obligations, Andra has launched voluntary and proactive initiatives with national and local stakeholders, for instance, a formal consultation roadmap to help define the expectations for the pilot industrial phase, and a construction monitoring group where local residents can express their expectations and concerns regarding preparatory works. Altogether, these mechanisms contribute to ensuring transparency and dialogue, but also that the project is progressing in line with society's expectations. France is a founding member of EDRAM and has always been strongly committed to international cooperation on radioactive waste management. Through EDRAM, Andra shares experience and best practices with sister organizations that face similar challenges worldwide, both at the strategic level and at the operational level. International cooperation also contributes to strengthening public confidence by showing that our work is part of a global effort, not developed as an isolated national project only. It also fosters a questioning attitude which is beneficial for safety in general and more broadly fosters progress for everyone.